it's coming down now. If you're just jumping on, you missed the big thunder, so we'll have to see how long it takes in between. Hi, T. It's pouring outside. Woo-wee. Got some lightning. Wow. Holy Hannah. Oh, we get some shaking puppies. It's okay, babies. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, Mike. Hey, Jody and Jamie and Jill. I know, right? Oh, here comes the water from up top. Whoa. I love my little screen room. I'm not getting wet at all. Yet. You can see all the water down there, though. It does come in here, especially when it goes sideways. It's super windy. You can see the trees up there. And the puppies are a little nervous. Leo gets very, very nervous. Lucy is just kind of chilling. It is super sonic loud. What is that noise? Wow, what is that noise? All this stuff coming down. It's the end of the world. Wow, what's that noise though? Can you guys hear that? It sounds like a sonic something or other. Weird. Well, pretty much can't see anything now. No, Leo is just shaking. Oh, Peanut. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It sounds like a jet. I don't know what that noise is. No, it's not the screen. It could be the rain hitting something that I just can't see. But it sounds like a jet. I can't see anything. I can't see anything. My chairs are soaked. Look at the water in there. I'm not, though. I'm very dry. See? It just goes maybe about 2 feet from the screen. It's all good. Look, it's the whole family. Gary's here. I really don't know what that noise is. It's got to be the rain falling on something, and I just don't know what it is. Over there, my guess. I don't know, but it's wicked loud in here. Ooh-wee. I don't know if you guys can hear everything that I'm hearing, but it is loud. Oh, I think it might have calmed down a little bit. I think it calmed down, Leo. It's okay, buddy. Yep, the wind has calmed down, so that's cool. I think it's over. No, it's still thundering. Oh. Mike, why are you so smart? We just got gutters. We just got brand new gutters, so maybe it's a new sound that Edie needs to get used to. That's weird. It's calming down now, though. Michael, why are you so smart? Look at the blue. Can you see? There's blue skies over there. I think we're done. Leo, I think we're in the clear. That's like my own water feature. It's all done. It's all done, Leo. The storm is over. The storm is over. Well, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Well, we went through the storm together. If you didn't see the very beginning of this, we get it. There's still thunder, but we had a huge clap of thunder at the very beginning. So if you watch the replay, you'll be able to hear it. Lucy is now growling at the thunder. So I'm not sure sometimes if it's thunder or if it's Lucy. She's been sitting here the whole time, checking it all out. And then this one over here is in panic mode. Oh, buddy. Why you in panic mode? Are you so scared? You're so shaky. It's okay. Mommy got ya. Mama's got you. Okay. Want to say bye? Want to say bye to all the people? All right, guys. Thanks for hanging.